Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today I'm continuing my mystery makeup mashup series where I take two randomly selected inspiration photos from my makeup Pinterest board and combine them to make a unique makeup look. So for today's mystery makeup mashup, I'm scrolling through Pinterest for the first inspiration photo. Which is this beautiful purple swirl makeup look. I could not find the credit for that individual artist, but that is from a website called Beauty Bay, and I will have that link down below. And for the second look, we have this kind of starry rhinestone makeup look. For the starry rhinestone look, it's by a girl named Anna, and I'll link her Pinterest down below. That's the only link I found for her. To combine these looks together, I imagine using the shape and overall look of the purple look on the right, and then making it blue, and then adding a starry rhinestone quality to it to combine the looks together. So to start, I'm using a dark blue to sketch out the kind of shape of the look that we're going for. Then with a lighter blue, I'm going to go in and start to blend that out. For this section of the eye, I'm putting the blue and then blending it downwards. For this section, I'm putting blue on the inner side of it and blending out. Then for this section, we're kind of putting it inside of the little loop we made. Then with an even lighter blue shade, I'm going to blend that out some more. Then I'm adding a little bit of the light sparkly blue for sort of a highlight in these areas. And then I'm putting the sparkly blue all over the lid. Then I'm using the Mayron Gold Metallic Powder, and I'm going around the swirl shape that we made. And also lining the inner corner loop as well. Then to incorporate the second look, I've decided to use the gold metallic powder as sort of stars to go over all of the blue. And then I added rhinestones throughout the look. And I tried to kind of keep the rhinestones even on both sides. Here I'm adding mascara, but I will top this with false lashes. And that completes this blue, starry, swirl, mystery makeup mashup look. I really liked the swirl shape of the first makeup and sort of incorporating the starry rhinestone look to it. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.